Close your eyes. Which chips do they change places?
Yellow and pink.
Yes. What do you think? Can we build something with Bilibos? You built a nice tower with chips. Can you build a higher tower with Bilibos? Can you make a ratatouille with Bilibo? If you spin a Bilibo with all chips inside, will chips fly away? Can you use a cube to build high tower with Bilibo? Can you build a snail out of Bilibo? We were going to create a game, our own board game. Marquis. Scary castle. This one looks like nice. Desert. Blue.
Blue is
6. Pink. 3. 3.
That means the other person, whichever number he gets, he goes to that place, and then he can, and then he has another go, and then he's finished, even if that's not the right number, or you have to go back.
So in this game, no one loses, everyone wins.
Yeah, but whoever first wins, there's another challenge.